Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start right now by making the mixture. Pour 1 tablespoon glycerine and 1 tablespoon fresh lemon juice into a clean bowl, then stir until uniform. You do a quick patch test on your inner wrist and wait 24 hours to check for redness or burning. This protects you. Once the patch is clear, apply a thin layer to a small test area of your face or arm. This first step prevents irritation and sets you up to proceed safely. Now apply the mixture gently to the tanned skin using your fingertips or a cotton pad. Press, don't scrub, because lemon is acidic and overrubbing damages skin. Once applied, let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes so glycerine hydrates while lemon mildly exfoliates dead cells. This combination lifts pigmentation. After the time, rinse with lukewarm water and pat dry. Make sure to perform this routine 2 to 3 times a week. Consistency: finish by rinsing thoroughly, then apply a gentle moisturizer or a splash of rose water mixed with a tiny glycerine drop to restore barrier function. This balances the acidity. Once done, always use sunscreen the next day because lemon increases photosensitivity and could worsen tan if you're exposed. If you experience burning, redness, or persistent stinging, stop immediately. Dilute future mixes, use less lemon, or consult a dermatologist. This troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.